Where'd you go?
Looking for my phone.
Hmm?
Looking for my phone. I think I took it out. Oh, there it is.
Ready?
Yep.
What are you waiting for? Let's dance. Who the funk? Everything's kind of bigger. What are you doing? I haven't done this game since I saw it at CBR, so all these are going to be new to me. They like the little do-do-do. Do-do-do. You get it? Jump, jump. It's a 4. I thought we started out with a 4. Look. Let's go, 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 shiny disco ball. Ooh. That's a hard one.
Yeah.
I'll just leave it on for the next one too. Ha! Hey, what do you mean?
I'm gonna get fine. She's definitely gonna get popular.
It's too easy. There's a 3. Get louder. There you go. Oh god, I love this song right here. We're gonna do this one. It's a 3, so you should be able to do it, okay? This is fun. This is a fast one. This is being my own favorite.
Ready? Get down.
Now it changes beats a lot. See that? How this one's on beat there? You gotta really pay attention to this one. You gotta see it. You gotta see it again. You missed it. Big turn inside. I'm gonna do this on a hard level next. Me? If you're going hard on this one, on heavy, you do something called a gallop. Or all you're doing is go da-da-da-da-da-da-da the whole time dancing. It's really kind of interesting. I'm going to do it on a harder level now. I'm probably going to do horrible. I'm going to turn it off for this one.